sleep.
Hello. You have to go to bed at 7.
No, I need to get home. My mom doesn't like she's worried.
Amanda has to go to bed at 7. But we do have to make that video quickly today. Because we were supposed to do it yesterday. And it didn't work that day, did it? Okay, I know that's probably disturbing what I'm doing right now, people. But I'm going to drink Sprite. Weird. I love it when it looks like this. Oh, I love it. Well, we're in our prop room. Prop. We have posters in this room. Hee hee. You want to see our computer, even though it's kind of crappy? Oh my god, you want to see our background, people?
And you say I have a stinky burp.
yeah, that's gonna be burp, but Ashley burping.